Customers do not care whether you succeed or not because they buy out of habit, Customers will only realize your relevance into their life if you're doing something which is making themselves better. If you're making something which is cheaper, faster, and better, that's when they will realize that you are saving them time and money. That's why they will come and buy from you, because you are making a difference in their life. They have a reason to identify themselves with you. And the reason why Serena Williams has remained quite phenomenal in playing tennis over the years is because the rules of the game hasn't changed that much. And by the way, she practiced the 10,000 hours that she's supposed to have practiced. If Cristiano Ronaldo was a black man, he would have been an Acholi guy. And if Lionel Messi was a black guy as well, he could have been an Alu, because the Acholi people are supposed to be tall, elegant, handsome, radically attractive guys, So that's a joke, guys, yeah. But Cristiano Ronaldo has remained quite phenomenal because he has practiced his 10,000 hours. He has moved from Manchester to Real Madrid and Juventus. He's scoring goals. He's doing his things because he has practiced the 10,000 hours. And all in all, even Lionel Messi and Serena Williams, and the games of the rules of the games hasn't changed that much, because until when we see in 2017, that's when the goal line technology came in play. And so the game hasn't changed that much. In tennis, what changed was, you could serve without lifting both of your legs. But now, they say you can serve and you raise both of your legs and and then you land back on the ground. But the rules of the game hasn't changed that much. That's why they remain to be phenomenal in doing their stuff. And by the way, guys, your business chain is everything. They can hate you, they can not like you, but once you have learned the business chain of your business, then they will never catch you. For example, if you are in the paper industry, you know that there must be trees somewhere where they turn it into logs, and logs turned into from the industry into pulp, and before you know it's paper. If you learn all the genesis of that in your business, I'm telling you, nobody can catch you, and you will succeed and move until when you will do amazing things. And by the way, let's not keep asking ourselves questions which we do not even think that the answer are not with us. The answer is with us, because until when we answer the question of we black people, doing something for ourselves to cause revolutions in this world, that's when we know that we are going to matter in the world, because we have never done things that can transform the world's perspective. Until when we do that, the answer will always be in the affirmative. We will continue to be very feral in whatever things we do. That is it.